Hey YouTube. So, I just wanted to share this little bit of information for you all. I've recently been learning a lot about HTML, and something that I wanted to do lately is avoid getting all of the stupid pop-ups and all the other crap that you get when you're on certain internet sites, especially when you're streaming stuff online. Like most people, I don't have time to sit around the TV, so when I do get a few minutes, I like to watch something in peace and quiet. And all these stupid pop-ups nowadays, they really don't let you watch in peace. So here's something. It's very simple HTML code, very basic. I'll show you what it does here in a second. But I'm going to put this code in the descriptions below. So all you have to do is copy and paste, and then make some space in between, and then just keep on pasting the code for the certain sites in there. That way you can watch TV or whatever show you want from online in peace. So let me go ahead and save that real quick, and then I'll go and open this in a browser for you to see. Alright, so then once that comes up, certain sites will have ActiveX or some type of JavaScript embedded in there. So you can see there's the video screen itself. Don't worry about it being small, because you could always hit the full screen. So something that's very popular now is a lot of cartoons, anime or whatever. So I pulled this here from one of the sites. As you can see, it works just fine. I'll hit full screen. You have full screen. Alright, so there's enough of that. So I'll go ahead and close this. And I have some other sites open. Let's see here. My favorite, Game of Thrones. So the easiest thing for anyone to do is to go into your internet options. Not necessarily the options, but you're going to want to find where the site source, the coding is. So if you're using Firefox and you click on the options button, you go ahead and go to the developer page source, and it's going to give you a little pop-up window with all of the HTML coding in there. So what you need to do is try to find where exactly the video code is. Sometimes that takes a bit depending on the site, so just take your time looking. If you see it in green with these little dashes and then like an arrow, like a greater than or less than, then that means that it's commented out, and therefore it's not going to be actually active. So let's see here. Online me, image source, no, and then start of header. So sometimes if they're good, they'll actually give you comments so you know where you're at. So this right here is the left hand column. So just keep going down, and you're going to want to try to find where exactly the movie is. So the iframe, usually when you see iframe, and that's where a lot of times the video is. So see here, end, left hand, start of middle. So the middle. Alright. Start. Alright, let's see here. JavaScript. Usually when you see something with iframe, typically that's where the video is. Okay, so here we go. This might be it. So then I will copy and paste this right here into that document, and then I will get rid of all of this. And sometimes you just have to play with it, so bear that in mind. Paste that, and I'm just using shortcuts. So Control C is to copy, Control V paste, Control S to save, and then I will go and back to my desktop. Probably should have kept that page open. So one thing to note too is if you keep something open, like say this browser, and all you have to do is hit refresh, it's just going to reread whatever you put inside the page. That little Note document, and you don't need to buy any software or anything. You just need Notepad, and all computers typically come with it. So as you see, that's working just fine there. So we'll go ahead and close the ad and continue the video. So there's just one pop-up that comes up, but typically you're going to have all of your advertisements here. These usually tend to force updates or different pop-ups to come up. As you can see, it's already trying to load something. These things sometimes, depending on if you have any bugs on your computer, they'll play videos. That's why they have this in case the audio click here. And after a while, that tends to get annoying. So I'll just continue as a free user and get rid of that. And don't ever update anything if the site pops up for you. So we'll go ahead, click that, and that's going to load for a bit. And depending on the actual site, if it's a fast streaming or not, also your internet might hinder that. And then obviously whatever you're running on your computer too. So I'll let that load for a bit, because that was the season finale for Game of Thrones. And then I will, let's see here, copy and paste that. I'll open this and then delete that. And I'll go ahead and go somewhere else. And I already hear it trying. So it's trying. Let me pause that. Go over here. So that's one popular thing. I know a lot of people like to watch fights. So some sites are actually good for you, and they allow you to embed their videos there. So then all you have to do is copy and paste that. So we'll go over here to the copy, and then we'll paste that, and then I will save that, close it, and then right click, open with, and let's just use the Chrome. That way you can kind of see that it works in any internet browser. So regardless of what you like to use, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera is another good one. So we'll see how that works. Go back. Alright, looks like the video's not found. Alright, so that site's not good. But as you can see, the code works. So if the video was to be uploaded onto that site properly, then you would be able to watch it, like with the Game of Thrones. And then, let's see here, somewhere else. I know a lot of people like to watch anime, and I think, what was a good one? When I was young, let's see here, Ninja Scroll. Oh, come on, go. A Ninja Scroll movie. That one was very popular. Okay, so it gives you the iframe right here. Allow full screen. And make sure you grab both the iframe and then the slash iframe, closing it out. And I think that might be just advertising. I don't know if it's gonna let me copy just that. Come on. No, it won't. Okay, so copy. Open that. And get rid of that. Save it. Okay, maybe you do need all of that crap. Alright, so you just recopy it. And then after you save it, no, alright. That's a lot of crazy ass code. We might need that. I don't want it. Yeah, as I was saying, just sometimes you gotta bear with trying to find where the hell the actual video is, because you don't want to just put all this other random shit on there. Maybe we need all of this crap. Hey. All I did was use Control F as a find, like searching the document. Oh, that's not good. Alright, maybe we need all of this crap. Okay, so I'll just go into here and copy paste all of that until get rid of end of script. Let's try this. This will be fun. No, that didn't work. Let's see if it works in Internet Explorer. As you can see, the other video is loading. I hit play. No, that other one wasn't working. But as you see, it works full screen. I can jump through. And there we go. So yeah, pretty much that's it. Hope you like that. I'll put the code in the description. Just copy and paste it into a notepad, and then whenever you save it, just right click the document and open with any of your web browsers. So right click, open with, and then whatever web browser you choose to use it in. And that's it. There you go. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.